Recurring schedules have been added to SecureIQ version 3002. A recurring schedule object in SecureIQ is used to define by minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and annual time schedules that can be used with guard tours and other objects. These schedules can be used to control access to doors, schedule imports and system tasks, and trigger events. SecureIQ uses schedules for access control and to perform certain activities, such as time-based events at specified times. You can include one or more holiday groups on a recurring schedule. Holiday groups specify the holidays that apply to the recurring schedule, on which days normal activation of the schedule does not occur. To create, edit, and remove a recurring schedule in SecureIQ, navigate to Configuration, Schedule and Holiday, and Recurring Schedule. To create a recurring schedule in the Recurring Schedule page, click the Add New button. In the Create Recurring Schedule window, enter a name and description. Configure the recurring schedule settings using the General, Groups and Holiday tab. Click Preview Activation Times to view the recurring schedule activation times on a calendar view. Once complete, click Save. Click the three-dot menu beside the recurring schedule name to view the context menu.